Tonight, the death toll from the catastrophic building collapse in Florida rising to 18. Two children, ages 4 and 10, confirmed dead today. Local officials say 145 people are still unaccounted for. And I want to bring in now Adam Schwartzbaum, a lawyer who is filing a class action lawsuit against the Champlain Towers South Condo Association. His grandparents lived in that building for 30 years before moving out a decade ago. Adam, good evening. Thank you for joining. Let's talk about this. You have given CNN audio of one of your clients, 59-year-old Raisa Rodriguez, who was actually recording a voicemail as the building was beginning to fall. Let's listen.
Hello? Who's there? Oh my God! What the hell? Oh my God! Yanni! The whole site is moving on.
Wow. So what does this demonstrate, in addition to the sheer terror that you hear there, Adam?
You know, it's just another vivid demonstration, Don, of what these victims went through, those who were lucky enough to survive, the chaos, the confusion, and also the care that they had for one another. You actually hear Raisa calling out to her neighbor. They were about to scramble down, and then they remembered, actually, if you continue to listen to the recording, that there was an 80-year-old woman with a walker who lived right below them, and they actually went, retrieved her, and then all of them were able to make their way down to the second floor, all the way from the 9th and the 8th, and make onto a balcony where fire rescue here were able to save them. So it's really an extraordinary story, and it's really the beginning of a heroic story for our client, who really put her own life at risk to work with her neighbors to bring them to safety.
I'm glad thank you for getting us that audio. I want to also talk about the letter that you have seen now sent to residents just a few months ago. The president of the Condo Association warning the damage in the building had gotten significantly worse since the 2018 inspection. Were these warnings not taken seriously enough? How do you see it?
Unfortunately, it seems that they weren't. What we've actually seen, it's almost like watching a train crash in slow motion spread out over years. Because in 2018, the Condo Association received a report telling them that the deterioration of the concrete was going to increase at an exponential rate. And by the way, Don, around that same time period, our client, Raisa, actually took video of water intrusion that she saw in the garage, and she sent it to the Condo Association. So the Condo Association was getting all sorts of alarms going off, not just red flags, really sirens going off saying, this is a disaster waiting to happen. And instead, they shopped around for a better price. And by the time that 2021 letter was sent just a few months ago, the cost of those repairs had ballooned from $9 million to an estimated $15 million. And this is the result of that delay, is unfortunately the disaster we're seeing unfolding now.
Well, Adam, if you have any more information, if you have any more pictures or video or audio, please get it to us. We thank you for coming on and sharing the story of these people and hearing the terror. It's just unbelievable what's happened there. We appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having us, Don.
Thank you. Thank you.